Guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I have an unboxing event of the X570 Aorus Master Motherboard by Gigabyte. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get this unboxing started. I've just received this today, so there's no seals, okay? It's a bit of a surprise. I hope they didn't sell me a second-hand one. That's basically it. Wow, that was a bit underwhelming. Okay, let's get the motherboard out of the way and see what this has inside. So you've got the box here, alright, and you've got some stickers for the Aorus, alright, so you've got the Do Not Disturb, some of the other stuff, Aorus here, Aorus Detected, Team Fight On, and a lot of stickers here, passport, you can put it on your, I don't know, on your wallet I guess, yeah. Alright, so that's basically it. Okay, you've got the warranty commitment as well from Gigabyte. Okay, you've got the installation guide as well, bilingual. Pretty sure they all are. Okay, so that's basically it over here. What else do you get? You get a 3M kind of hard stuff. You can probably like stick it on somewhere on your car maybe. Yeah. I wouldn't. Alright, let's look at the manual, user manual. Okay, it comes with a CD as well. So it's a gaming motherboard, drivers and stuff like that for the 500 series drivers. Okay, pretty standard. Okay, so it's got a full-on installation guide. I like to see that. When you're working, last thing you want to do is keep going and reaching for your iPad and whatnot and your computer just trying to do stuff. Okay, wow. Okay, so you get a lot of stuff in here as well. Okay, so you get this Aorus kind of zip tie. Okay, the shields for everything, the covers. Okay, I don't know what these were, they just chucked it in there. Okay, some of the lighting and stuff like that, RGB stuff. Okay. Alright, okay, let me get this out of the way. You guys probably know more than I do. Not much of a PC person here. So lots of cabling in there. Okay, so that's the motherboard right here. Okay, so let's give this an open. This so feels like secondhand, guys. Didn't even have a seal on the box. Feels like they've just used it and packaged it up and sent it out to me. It was pretty cheap, came from Brisbane. Okay, so no, so I stand corrected. It must have not been used, so there's plastic all over here. Which was nice to see. Okay, because I was starting to get worried because some PC companies are really dodgy. They've done it to me before. They've used it on the floor or something like that, or a customer brought it back and they thought, oh yeah, we'll send this out to this guy, he'll probably not even notice, and it's completely second hand. Okay, alright, so you've got the battery there, you've got the RAM slots here. Okay, you've got the PCIe slots here. Alright, and that's basically it, guys. That's the CPU, where the CPU will go in. And yeah, USB 3.0, 3.0. Okay, and where I think it will be at the back. I'm trying not to just destroy this thing. Okay, nope, not in the back. It's a nice back plate, you know, nice and tough looking to stop it from bending. Okay, let's look at this board over here. So you've got the flash, you've got the Osmos, you've got the USB 3, all these USB 3.1, USB 3.1 Type C, USB 3.1. So these are the same. This is 3. These two are 3. I don't know why they're colored different. This was for BIOS, I guess. This is 2.5. This is maybe 10 gigabit Ethernet. Okay, so you've got the revs, front, mic in, line out. Okay, looks pretty good, guys. Okay, I just gotta figure out where you put the NVMe SSD. All right, guys, so that's basically it, guys. That was the unboxing. I won't go too much into this. I'll do a review in about 2-3 weeks time. If you like this, please do subscribe. It helps the channel out. I'm completely self-funded. I funded this. I have a full-time job, and that's how I fund all my channel. And you guys can give it a like as well, just to spread the word. It really helps there as well. And if you guys want to really help out, you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. It's really easy. It doesn't cost you anything. All right. And if you want to help out financially, you can always go on Patreon. It really would help me out. Other than that, guys, I would like to thank you for sticking to the end and watching this video completely. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.